Kanak,
Hi.
how are you doing?
Fine.
Are you ready for some activity?
Yes.
What all do you have for activities?
Some ice cream sticks and some clips.
Wow, can you show us? They are colorful ones. Okay, use your imagination and make something. Come on, let's see what are you going to make. What's it?
An aeroplane.
Wow, that looks like an awesome aeroplane. Yeah. Okay, Mama also wants to make few things with you. Can you help Mama? Okay. When Mommy is making, you will have to tell me what it is. Okay? You'll be able to help and tell Mommy?
Yes. Mommy, you need some markers to do the face of it.
Yeah, I will need. Can you pass over the marker to me, Kanak?
I want smile.
Okay, Mommy made something. What do you think? What it is?
I did that.
Yeah, it has a long neck, so it's a giraffe. Let's keep this away. Now let's see what's Mommy going to make, and you will have to help me out. Okay, Kanak? Okay, I fixed it like this. I need one more clip. Can you pass it to me? Thank you. Okay, can you pass few sticks? Maybe blue one, yes. And okay, one more blue one. Red one. Thank you. Another red one. Orange one. Another orange one. Wow, I made something. What do you think? What it is?
A table.
Wow, good job. Let's put the table other side.
Mommy, be careful so that sticks can never fall. These are missing up, Mommy.
That's fine. Okay, now I'm thinking to make maybe a snowflakes.
Yes.
Which color snowflakes do you want? Maybe orange?
My favorite color, blue.
Blue snowflakes?
Yes, because the stone snowflakes are always blue.
Snowflakes are blue?
Yes.
What do you think?
Mommy, just like a spider.
It looks like a spider. It's all your imagination. You can think whatever you want. Okay, now I'm thinking about a flower.
Yes.
What do you think? Can we make a flower?
Yes.
Which color flower we want?
One green.
Flowers are not green, I believe.
Flowers are only like this. Mommy, just like these are just like a flower.
See, can you hold it?
Mommy, this is like a happy birthday flower.
Yeah, it is.
A
but it's not my birthday now. What else do you think you can make?
Maybe a tree branch.
A tree branch? How will I make a tree branch?
First you need green leaves. First you need the green leaves.
I took it.
Oh, mommy, only one more. Only one more green leaf. Okay, you take that. This is like a green leaf. And mommy, this is how we make a leaf.
Yeah,
A tree branch.
it is. Can you show it? It has only 2 branches. That's a small twig then.